Computron version 16, we've added some significant process enhancements that will make data entry faster and more efficient. In addition to introducing inline grid entry, we've created a direct link with Excel for importing accounting entries. I'll start by entering a month-end adjustment. I'll first select Online Transaction Quick Entry, then enter Month-End Adjustment and continue. When we get to the data entry screen, I'll click the new Inline Editing button to switch to the Inline Grid Entry mode. Right next to Inline Editing, we have this button here called Import. I'll select that. This opens an Excel template. We have three options. We can simply key in some data or paste some data from another spreadsheet. Or finally, open up a different spreadsheet. We'll go for that last option. I'll click Open, then pick this sample file. Now you may notice that the file we've opened has more columns than our standard template. That's because the template can accommodate more than simply the mandatory columns. It can also include workings, memo, and other miscellaneous data. Only columns with a code in the heading corresponding to a field in the entry screen will actually be imported. I will now click Import to import the file. As the import runs, the data is validated and we see the results for each line in the status column. Any errors and error reasons will be highlighted. OK, on completion of the import we get this pop-up summary. This shows that 13 lines have been processed and all 13 have been successfully imported. There were no errors during the import. When I now click OK, the process creates a separate worksheet listing the imported transactions. So we now have the original worksheet showing the source data and process indicator, and we also have the result sheet labelled with the date. We can now save this file. Now that the import is complete, we can return to the data entry screen. Here we see all the imported transaction lines, values and references that have been loaded into the grid. We can now review the results, edit, delete or even add supplementary lines if required. In this example, I'll just save the transaction and our adjustment is complete. This ability to seamlessly import from an Excel worksheet into the data entry screen has been implemented widely in General Ledger, Accounts Payable and Accounts Receivable, and we plan to implement it in other areas. Thanks for watching this recording on Excel integration in Computron version 16. Please contact your account manager for more information.